Hello guys, this is the Forge TSA lock from Amazon. This video is about how to reset set the lock number that you want. Here's the red pin. It pops up when TSA opens the lock. So the default number is 30. To change it, you open it, then push down counterclockwise, then you set your number that you want. I'm gonna put 809, push it back, down, up, and you close it. Now it's set. Let's try the default number again, which is it's not gonna open. See, it's locked because it's already changed. So thanks for watching. I hope it helps.